Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ilang days pa lang ako dito guys, nararamdaman ko na ay nako, spoiled brat is real. Yeah. Alam mo guys, ito mayroon akong takway. Nagluto si nanay ng takway. Diyos ko, ang sarap, sarap. Hindi ko pa natikman yun. Hindi ko pa natikman yung takway na luto. Pero alam mo naman, this is my dreams, to eat Filipino food, and takway is the best. Guys, takway ang sarap. Takway. Alam mo yung takway, sa Tagalog hindi ko basta takway yung 'di ba yung gabi, yan. Nagkakaroon siya ng mahabang tangkay sa ng lupa. Yung nakalapag lang sa lupa na gano'n. Yung mahaba, yun. Ayun yung ginagawa na aming adobo. Takway ang tawag doon, guys. At yun ay pag tumubo ulit yun, magkakaroon ulit ng bagong gabi. Yung alam mo na yung tangkay ng gabi na taas na magdadahon, yung gano'n. Parang orchids, nagiging gano'n din. Sasanga ng gano'n, magkakaroon ng bagong orchids. Gano'n din yung takway. At alam mo guys, yung takway ang sarap, masarap, adobo. I-adobo mo yun, ang sarap-sarap. Napuyok na naman ako. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, ang pagkain sa abroad, napaka-boring. Araw-araw gano'n ang makikita mo. Kaya maraming Pilipino na umuwi, nag-i-enjoy sa buhay dahil yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa sa abroad, kaya mong gawin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya yung ginagawa nila ay mag-vacation sila and enjoy life. Ayun. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang guys, kung papipiliin ako, buhay sa abroad o buhay sa Pilipinas, mas gugustuhin ko sa Pilipinas. Bakit? Kasi dito simple lang ang buhay. Kakain ka, kain, tulog, gagawa ka ng bagay to earn money or go to supermarket, enjoy ang buhay. Yung parang ganon. Yung doon guys, puro trabaho. Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Iisipin mo kung paano mo mabayaran ang mga insurance, maraming bagay. Tapos alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, kaya ko naman mabuhay sa abroad, pero I'll never dream to die in Denmark, in Europe. No way. Dati ko pa sinasabi na, yes, I want to go back to my own country. Gusto kong bumalik sa sarili kong bayan. Tapos ang mga naranasan ko doon guys, hindi ko naranasan dito kasi ako yung bata, mula bata, ako yung batang kahit papano spoiled ako sa nanay at tatay ko. At namimiss ko ang buhay, kung ano ang buhay ko noon. Simple lang pero punong-puno ng saya. Saya na hindi ko naranasan sa abroad. Ayun. Ang buhay sa abroad guys, yung naranasan ko kasumpa-sumpa na hindi ko papangarapin tumungtong ulit sa country nila. Imagine guys, gigising ka sa umaga, konti lang ang tulog mo. Mga 3 hours lang ang tulog mo. Dahil because they always making noise to my ears, especially this kind of camera. I want to tell to the person that just in case that Sir Rapitol po come, I will ask help for assistant. Yeah. And the important that if I get my money, I will scan my ears because there's something inside a metal that it makes noise all the time, especially in morning, whole day guys. There's insect and sounds of insects and sounds of gossip, people always making conversation to my ears. And I know that it's a person, guys. I know the person who is shouting to my ears all the time. At yun, guys, ang ipapakalkal ko kapag sakaling tinulungan ako ni Sir Rapitol po. Kasi hindi nakakatuwa lahat ng naranasan ko. It because of this, guys, yan, na-abuse ako, yan. Pag tinanggal ko to, guys, ayan, dyan yung makikita, guys, ang lahat. Dyan yung makikita kung bakit kailangan nilang ayun ng insekto. Kasi akala nila ay matutulog ako maghapon. No, guys. Ang gawain ko sa Denmark ay magtrabaho. Lately lang, from 2023, how they make my life worse. Itong tenga na to guys, sobrang ingay. Sobrang ingay. May lagapukan pa yan guys. Naglalagapok kung anong ipalagapok sa tenga ko. Kaya this time guys, ipapatanggal ko to guys at gagawin ko rin sa kanila, palagapukin ko ng palagapukin ang tenga nila. Yes, kung anong pakiramdam. Kasi sa totoo lang, wala naman nakakatawa sa pamparam-pam-pam, ang pakiramdam, pamparam-pam-pam. Ayun guys, sa mga tao dyan guys na nagkukot sa akin to say something, insert a wrong grammars, ayun ay mukhang tanga. Yeah. Tangang hindi marunong mag-English. Nagpipretend ng katangahan. Nagpipretend na di pretend that they can destroy my, sentence. But honest is, they are not good in English. Kahit anong pambubuli nila sa akin, they cannot bully my daughter about language because my daughter can speak a little bit Tagalog. Yes, she can understand a little bit. Especially if they didn't remove Janine in my house, in my side. She is good. She is good already in Tagalog. Sometimes she answer me Danish. It means that my daughter can understand Tagalog already. And this time I try my best to if she can understand. But honestly, I teach Janine that she can use Google Translate to translate in Tagalog. So she is not, it's not difficult for her to go to Philippines. Yes, if she is 18 years old. Honest guys is she can travel now. Yeah, she can travel now with signature that you allowed your daughter to go somewhere. But I can wait. I need to wait. Yes, I'm waiting that she is 18 years old, that she can do what she want to do, that no one can hold her neck, do this, do that, do this, do that. Honestly is, I continue my life in Denmark like that. Para akong robot na may remote control that you can do this, but you cannot do that. You cannot do this, you cannot do that. Honestly, they are a bullshit. Bullshit in my life in how many years. And then they said that I ruined their country. Well, I challenge you. I dare you. Put like this. If you lie, to be continued, bring Denmark in Philippines. Because honestly, all of them is guilty. Even the small kids, if you ask a question, they can answer. Because, start 7 years old until 90 years old, they know what's happening in my life in Denmark. And now they pretend that they didn't know me. Oh, shut up, Denmark. Honestly, you're good to make lie story all the time. If you tell the truth, it's best. But honest is, in how many years you ruin my life, you make me more stronger than what you expected. Denmark. To all people in Denmark, all peoples, all of you there, you know what's happening in my life in how many years. You know that you make me bullshit in internet, but this time that I have YouTube channels, Denmark, you are like this in my eyes only, like that. Thank you to insulting me, even in English language. Honestly, there's a lot of stupid to your country that they cannot manage to speak English. Don't focusing to one person, because that's what you want only. Denmark, I'm not stupid like what you think or what you're thinking. I don't care. Thinking is that person's coaching to my ears. I don't care anymore. So you need to do is just move away, miles away from me. And if you think that I ruin your country, like this first, Denmark, especially your prime minister, in Denmark. You earn money because using the person like me. Denmark, honest is you kill so many people, especially the innocent people that they want only a separate or divorce their husband. Kaya Denmark, ito, neck nyo, nakanek-nek-nek-nekan nyo. Bye. Goodbye, Denmark. Goodbye forever. I will earn money more than that you have in Europe. I promise that. Blech.